Start with a consistently sized, thin bead of caulk applied directly where the baseboard meets the wall to create a smooth, controllable line. Choose a high-quality, paintable acrylic latex caulk for interior baseboards because it is easy to tool, cleans with water, and accepts paint. Cut the nozzle to a very small opening, roughly the size of a match head, to prevent an overlarge bead and give precise control along the joint. Hold the gun at a 45-degree angle and move with steady, even pressure, keeping your wrist steady so the bead is uniform. If you pause, release the trigger before stopping to avoid blobs. Immediately after applying, tool the bead by dragging a wet finger or a dedicated silicone tip tool along the joint with light, consistent pressure to flatten the caulk and press it into the gap for adhesion. Wipe any excess residue onto a damp rag in long strokes, cleaning the rag often so you do not smear dried caulk back onto the joint. Allow the caulk to skin over fully before painting, usually 24 hours for most acrylic latex products, then use thin layers of paint to blend the caulk to the baseboard finish. Common mistakes are applying too large a bead, which then looks sloppy and is hard to tool, so cut a smaller nozzle opening and apply a second pass if needed. Another issue is inadequate tooling or waiting too long to tool, which causes gaps or ridges, so tool immediately and keep a cup of water nearby for repeated fingertip tooling or clean the tool between passes. A frequent concern is choosing non-paintable or silicone caulk that resists paint, so use a labeled paintable acrylic latex product and test a small patch before committing, then allow full cure time before painting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples that make it easier for us to decide how we want our baseboard finishes to look. We also provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find new work through visibility on project posts.